So in the last video, I talked about how you can create a new document and set up a design file, a canvas file for your design. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can set up a layout using grid system in Affinity Design Studio. So first, we just go to create new, then used 190 by 20 190 20 pixels by 1080 pixels. So just click on create document. Then once that is done, I would like to have an artboard, so I'll put this on vector, then I'll click on my artboard tool, then click this. We need just some two artboard for this, so I will just put this down. You can decide to name your artboard. I can just say 1 2. Okay, so I'll go back to my move tool. Now for you to activate the artboard, you have to click on the particular artboard you are working on, then come to this toolbar here where you see view. So click on view and look for the show button to take you to a panel that has grid system. So click on the grid, and this automatically show you preset I left before while I was working on the software. So I'm working in the software, sorry about that. So I'll click on view. Then now when you click on view again, you scroll down and look for what we call grid and axis. Okay, so click on grid and axis. Then the preset here is already showing, but I don't want the isometric preset. I need the box like preset, so I will just view this so that I can see it clearly while I do my changes. So we have automatic. The automatic will give you this 32 pixels by 80 pixels, but basic you can customize it basic. Okay, so the basic I might just want 32 pixels and 4 divisions. See, it automatically changes here, but seems this is small, so why not let's increase the spacing to 64. Okay, see, it changes, right? If it's 32, it will be small boxes. Okay, but I'll prefer to work with 64. Then maybe change this to 8 divisions. Let's see what that gives us. So yeah, so you can increase the clarity or decrease it by just moving this knob here, this circle. So let's leave it like this. And in divisions you can also increase it, but I would like to leave it like that. So you can also explore the advanced setting. The advanced setting has different presets. We have the isometric, we have these are already preset done already. All of them have key rows, maybe when you want to design. Okay, so that, but we'll leave it as standard, then you play around it and see how it works. Okay, then we have the cube, so which you can also customize. All of these things play a huge role, maybe when you want to design some kind of designs, some kind of element that you want them to have the isometric view, and maybe you want something to be at the top or the bottom. So but I'll go back to my basic, and from there I'll click on close. Then once I've done that, just to show you why it's good to have grid layout, I'll just also bring my ruler here. So for you to activate your ruler, you click on Control arrow, or to remove the ruler you click on to bring back the ruler you click on Control arrow. So this works handy. Okay, so let me bring my ruler down to this place. Then let's just experiment something. So I'll click on text, then click on design Yeah, let's use this. So I'll increase this. Now when you are increasing text, you don't click on the shift key on your keyboard. It will distort the text. Okay, you don't do that. Or you click shift, you don't also click shift and control, it will distort the text. So what you do, you click on the corner of a text box or by the side so that you have uniform size weight. So I want to change this font to something good, so I'll just do this, and I want the text to start from this. Okay, so then I want this to be down, so I'll click on enter. And in order to copy this, you can just use your alt key. So let me put a time here. Let's see, on YouTube, every Friday. So I can also change this font to something. Let me see, type the font style here, then I come here and change the font size. Then I can adjust and just clicking the corner of the this. So just type something like that. I would prefer the Friday to be done. So this is it, and this is really good. It's just like Bigma, how it structures everything for you so well that so you see, this is cool and beautiful. If we decide to add a color to this, can just come here and change this and that. So that's just it. So yeah, so see you in the next class. And let me just go over it again. In order to activate your grid, you go to view icon or the view tool, you look for show panel, and the panel has different stuff activated. First time this might not be activated, so you have to activate the grid system. Once you have done that, you come to grid and axis to do your setup. Okay, so this is that. I think you enjoy the class. See you in the next video. Thank you.